Welcome back, everyone, to today's Explainer. Look, we're jumping right in today because we are taking a deep dive into the absolute cutting-edge future of industrial production. We're actually going to architect the digital factory, step by step, literally from the physical floor all the way up to the cloud. So let's look closely at the blueprint of smart manufacturing.
Let's kick this off with a massive, high-stakes question. How exactly are modern factories producing more products with fewer errors, lower energy consumption, and almost zero downtime? If you're an engineering student, an automation engineer, or running a factory right now, this is the million-dollar question, right? For decades, the industry just accepted inefficiencies as, the painful cost of doing business, but not anymore. The answer to this, and the ultimate solution we're digging into today, is smart manufacturing.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll start with the smart manufacturing revolution, then unpack the core technologies of Industry 4.0. From there, we'll map out the smart factory workflow, look at the benefits and applications, gaze into the future of production, and finally wrap up with powering a better tomorrow.
All right, let's dive right into Section 1, the smart manufacturing revolution and how we are overcoming the limitations of the past.
To really get where we're going, we first have to talk about the painful limitations of the past. Traditional manufacturing is, quite frankly, plagued by some harsh realities. We're talking slow, manual operations, sudden machine downtime that just absolutely halts your revenue, crazy high energy consumption, and those frustrating quality issues that lead to crippling production delays. It's a highly reactive system. You're basically always putting out fires. But smart manufacturing totally flips the script. It relies on an intelligent, connected, and automated ecosystem to monitor, control, and optimize everything in real time. So we're moving from a system that breaks down and waits for a fix to a system that anticipates problems and optimizes itself dynamically. It's a total game changer.
Moving right along to Section 2, core technologies of Industry 4.0. We're talking about the brains and the muscles here.
Now, smart manufacturing isn't just one magic tool. It's an entire interconnected hardware and software architecture. On the control side, we've got the heavy hitters, the foundational elements like PLCs, HMIs, SCADA systems, and VFDs. But here's where we supercharge them. We bring in the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, which allows all these devices to actually talk to each other. Then we add artificial intelligence and machine vision, literally giving the factory digital eyes and a brain. We deploy advanced robotics for the precision physical labor, and we tie the whole shebang together with cloud and edge computing to process mountains of data instantly. And that data, that's the key. Get this. Unplanned downtime costs industrial manufacturers an estimated $50 billion every single year. $50 billion! But with predictive maintenance, the factory actually knows a motor's going to fail before it even breaks. Just imagine the time and money saved from that one shift alone.
I actually want to pause here for a second on one incredibly fascinating piece of this puzzle, the digital twin. So what is this? It's a highly accurate virtual replica of a physical factory or machine. Engineers can use this 3D replica to monitor, simulate, and optimize production in real time without ever laying a finger on the physical equipment. You can run stress tests, simulate crazy conditions, and perfectly tune your operations in the digital world before making a single, potentially super costly change on the actual factory floor. It absolutely revolutionizes how we interact with data.
Okay, on to Section 3, the smart factory workflow. Think of this as the digital nervous system.
Let's actually look at this digital nervous system in action. It all starts down on the floor with Step 1, data collection. That's your sensors and PLCs gathering all that raw physical data. That data then flows seamlessly over to Step 2, aggregation, where SCADA systems and IIoT gateways bundle it all up. From there, it shoots up to Step 3, processing. This is where cloud and AI analytics step in to crunch the numbers and find those hidden patterns and operational efficiencies. Finally, it reaches Step 4, action. The newly processed intelligence is sent directly back down to the operator dashboard and translated into automated machine control. It's just this continuous, beautiful loop where raw physical data instantly becomes automated action.
Which brings us to Section 4, benefits
And real-world applications. Time to prove the value.
When you actually implement this workflow, the results are dramatic. Productivity spikes massively, while at the same time that real-time monitoring causes your downtime and maintenance costs to absolutely plummet. But it doesn't stop there, right? This architecture directly translates to improved product quality, incredible energy savings, way better decision-making capabilities thanks to remote monitoring, and, this is a big one, drastically increased worker safety. The whole factory transforms into this highly efficient, sustainable environment.
And hey, just in case you're sitting there thinking this technology is strictly theoretical or maybe just for building cars, think again. These systems are actively revolutionizing a massive array of diverse industries all over the globe right now. Yes, the automotive industry relies on it for sure, but so do food processing and pharmaceutical plants where, let's face it, precision is literally life or death. It's transforming heavy traditional industries, think textile, cement, and water treatment plants, right alongside high-tech spaces like solar and electronics manufacturing. We're even seeing it revolutionize the packaging industry and pioneer the entirely new frontier of smart agriculture. The applications here are practically limitless.
All right, let's look ahead. Section 5, the future of production and what comes next.
Now this is where things get truly futuristic, but frankly, it's a future that's approaching fast. The next step? We're looking at fully AI-powered factories that can virtually run and heal themselves autonomously. No joke. We're talking about the rollout of ultra-fast 5G industrial networks that completely eliminate data latency. We're going to see fleets of autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, navigating complex shop floors fluidly, right side by side with human workers. And honestly, perhaps most importantly, this extreme level of efficiency will drive green manufacturing, leading us straight into fully sustainable, carbon-neutral facilities. Production isn't just becoming autonomous, it's becoming deeply responsible to our planet.
Let's bring it all home with Section 6, powering a better tomorrow and your automation partner. To really distill everything we've covered today down to its core, smart manufacturing combines automation, AI, industrial IoT, robotics, and data analytics to create intelligent factories that are simply more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. It's the convergence of all these technologies that creates the magic. There isn't just one single tool doing it alone, it's this symphony of connected systems that completely redefines what industrial production is capable of achieving. At the heart of this revolution is the mission championed by deviautomationsolutions. They cover industrial automation, home automation, AI and IIoT solutions, and smart agriculture. Their motto honestly says it all. Smart technology, powerful solutions, better tomorrow. If you found this educational guide helpful, make sure to hit subscribe to DV Automation Solutions for more deep dives into PLCs, SCADA, AI, and IIoT. So as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with a final provocative thought to chew on. With the blueprint of the digital factory now clearly laid out in front of you, how do you plan to implement these powerful solutions to revolutionize your own facilities tomorrow? Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.